The superheroes has been dealing a number of deadliest villains, but there's actually few silent killers too. If we think of viruses, we never think of comics. Do Marvel and DC has viruses? Let's check it out. Before getting into the list, my name is Williams and welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video I'll be talking about top 5 Marvel viruses and top 5 DC ones. So let's get started with the number 1, which is Techno-Organic virus. This is the virus which was used by Apocalypse to infect Cable. This virus is generally known for being slow-acting but incredibly painful. Over time, it changes one's body from organic matter to techno-matter. Techno-organic materials resemble both machinery and living tissue. All techno-organic cells functions like independent machines and carry both the virus and all information on their carriers, including memories and appearance. Legacy 1 virus. This virus is one of the most famous viruses in the Marvel comic book universe. It plagued the X-Men and the world of mutants after being released accidentally by Mr. Sinister. In fact, he felt so bad he even tried to find its cure. This virus only affects those who are mutants, but there were 2 strains for the Legacy virus. The second one was called as Legacy 2 virus. This second virus was not fast spreading but was even worse than Legacy 1 virus. It was able to make mutants to lose control of their powers before death. They basically became superpower time bomb, which was pretty deadly. Number 3. Jigsaw disease. The Jigsaw disease is an alien disease. Those who suffer from it slowly disappears piece by piece. The scariest thing about this disease is it seems to have no set timelines in regards to how long it will take before you completely vanish. In the comics, a man named Proceror, nicknamed the Jigsaw Man, who believes he only constructed the disease because he was intentionally and specifically exposed to it by the evil Judge Kid. Number 4. Ultron virus. Just like Technovirus, this virus makes organic matter into techno-matter. But this virus is slightly different from the techno-organic virus, plus more dangerous. Ultron virus transforms anyone infected into another version of Ultron, not only physically but also mentally, creating an army of Ultrons capable of replicating his evil ways. Number 5. Hunger virus. In the comics, a sentry infected with the Hunger virus was sent to Earth 2149 by the Watcher, who quickly turned everyone into zombies. Much like every famous version of the undead in comics, movies and video games, this virus was spreaded by biting, and it caused every superhero to turn into a flesh-eating monster. No need of thinking that DC Comics have nothing to show. So here are the top 5 DC viruses. Number 1. Morticoccus virus. The virus was released to the reconstructed reality of Earth 5-1. In this reality, the virus didn't kill organisms but instead caused humans to de-evolve back into savage humanoid animals. And the ones who were less evolved, such as dogs and cats or even apes, were evolved into articulate, replacing mankind as a dominant species. Phase 2 virus. In the DC Comics, we saw Gotham facing a pretty terrifying threat. The Daughters of Gotham were a group of women working under villain Patient Zero, who had come to the conclusion that men were responsible for all the crimes and deaths, and he thought that they must be wiped out. Phase 1 of the virus made all the men sick, whereas the Phase 2 led them to certain death. Number 3. Virus X. It threatened to wipe out Superman. It was said to wipe out any Kryptonian within 1 month. It was later discovered that the cure to this virus lies within being exposed to white kryptonite. Number 4. Anti-life equation. It's not a simple virus. It doesn't make you physically ill at all, but what it does is threaten your will to live. It is called the anti-life equation because if someone possesses absolute control over you, you're not really alive. Number 5. Declench. It was originally created by the Order of Saint Dumas to wipe out all the sinners on the planet. It went through Gotham City and killed a large chunk of population. That's what Ra's al Ghul promised. But before the disease could be released, Batman and his team manages to get the cure by literally blowing up the virus. Whoa, that's kinda awesome! Let's go bring Batman's team to blow up the coronavirus! Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you think this list was nice or good enough, then why don't you share your thoughts by liking this video and sharing this video? Because this helps us in a marvelous way.